Figure has unveiled BotQ, a groundbreaking platform designed for the mass production of humanoid robots, aiming to revolutionize their deployment across various industries. The initial phase of BotQ is projected to yield 12,000 humanoid robots annually, with plans for substantial scaling in the future. Figure is implementing a vertically integrated manufacturing approach to ensure stringent quality control throughout the production process. Notably, their humanoid robots are slated to participate in the manufacturing of subsequent robots as early as this year, with an increasing number of robots involved to enhance production line automation. The company is also focusing on optimizing manufacturing processes by transitioning from CNC machines to techniques like injection molding and die casting, significantly reducing production times. The upcoming Figure 03 robot reflects these advancements, featuring a reduced component count and streamlined manufacturing for enhanced efficiency.